In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit images with Google Gemini. This process is straightforward and will take around 5 minutes to master. Let's jump right in. To begin, open the Google Gemini app on your device. If you're not familiar with Gemini, it's Google's powerful tool designed for creating and editing images efficiently. Once you've got the app running, your next step is to navigate to the Tools section. You can find this easily within the app's interface. It's usually along the top menu bar. Once you're there, select the option labeled Create Images. This is your gateway to accessing all of the editing features that Gemini has to offer. With the Create Images interface open, focus on the plus icon. It might be in the corner or prominently displayed, acting as your entry point for uploading new content. Click this icon, and a file navigation window should pop up, allowing you to browse through your device's files. Choose the image you want to work on from your device's storage. A tip here is to ensure your image is of high quality to get the best results in your edits. When you select your image, it will appear instantly in the editor or canvas. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a range of tools and options for enhancing and altering your image exactly to your liking. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available features. Gemini offers a versatile set of editing options to cater to everyone from beginners to experienced designers. Now, it's time to tailor your image using a prompt. This is essentially your chance to dictate what specific changes or effects you want to apply to your image. The prompt box should be visibly placed within the editor. Think of this as the command center, allowing you to apply tweaks, enhancements, or transformations with just your instructions. Be creative but precise with your prompt to ensure the outcome matches your vision. After you're done refining and editing your image, it's time to save your masterpiece. Looking toward the interface, find the Download button. This lets you save the edited image directly back onto your device. Clicking this will initiate a quick download, storing the image in your default downloads folder unless specified otherwise. This way, you can efficiently share, print, or use your image for various projects without hassle. And there you have it, a quick guide to uploading and editing images using Google Gemini. With these steps, you can create stunning visuals in just minutes, whether it's for personal use or professional projects. I hope this guide has empowered you to leverage Gemini's features to their fullest potential. Happy editing!